Welcome to the jungle. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an insane AI-generated music video in just minutes, featuring a song about my dog Lonny. It looks like this.
Lonny, the poop machine, she loves to run and play. But when it's time to poop, she does it her own way. 3 times a day like clockwork, that's her routine. Our lovely little lady Lonny, the poop machine.
Let me show you how I created this. To begin, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the song lyrics. I gave it this simple prompt: write a song called Lonny the Poop Machine, mentioning she likes to poop at least 3 times a day and loves belly rubs and playing with a ball. Now that we have our lyrics, we'll use Voicemod to create the singing part. Choose text to song from the menu above. Pick a style like pop, techno, or classical, and then select the singer that fits your song best. Listen to stock voice samples by clicking the play button. Then paste the ChatGPT generated lyrics and hit create a song. Voicemod will take care of the rest. Remember, it's not perfect but will get the job done. For the visuals, we'll use Midjourney to create images and Kaiber to animate them. First, quickly create your images using Midjourney. Once that's done, head over to Kaiber, click create a video, and choose the image you made in Midjourney. You can also use audio as a reference point. Next, write a prompt in Kaiber or choose one of the pre-written options. You can change camera movements for your music video, like from right to left, left to right, or zooming in. The evolve option is crucial here. If you want to keep the animation close to your original image, choose a value closer to 1 or 2. Higher values will introduce wilder elements, making the original image less stable. Then, just hit generate. Once you have both the song and visuals, combine them using a video editing app. Probably before the decade ends, we will have great music hits generated completely by AI. For now though, text-to-sing tools are in their very early stages. OpenAI is working on Jukebox, which is a neural net that generates music, including singing. And Google has MusicLM generating music from a text prompt, but they're not yet released to public. There you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to create your very own AI-generated music video. If you want to learn more about art and content creation with AI tools, click here.